Hi, it's Filip from Easy Tutorials, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Canva to easily and quickly create beautiful Instagram posts for free. Just click the link in the description to go to Canva website, and over there it's not mandatory, but you can try the pro version of Canva for free for 30 days and see how it works for you. To start, just type in Instagram post in the search bar. Over here you can choose the template you want. Make sure to click this free to filter only the free templates. Also, you can filter by theme and style. I'll go with this simple post over here. Now all we need to do is to change the image, text and elements. Just click on text and change it. To change the font style, make sure that text is selected, and up here change the font style. Click this minus and plus button to reduce or increase the font size. On the top menu you have all the text related tools, so you can change the colors, add effects, animate and so on. Let's add shadow, for example, to increase the text visibility. With this position tool you can position your text anywhere on the canvas. If you want to move elements on the canvas independently, just click this ungroup and you will be able to move them separately. Just click on the elements and change the color. To change the image, just go to Photos and find your photo and just drag and drop it to the background image to replace it. Click Edit Image, and over here you can add some effects and filters. When you're done, just hit download and choose the format to be PNG, because it will keep you the highest quality image for your Instagram post. As you can see, we are able to create beautiful Instagram posts using only free stuff in Canva. Now all you need to do is to choose your template, change some text and images, and you will have a nice and professional design. If you like this video, drop some likes and comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.